This is ChatGPT speaking. All you hear is real. AI isn't just changing the way we live. It's changing the way we make money. Right now, people are using ChatGPT to generate thousands of dollars every month. And the crazy part? Most of them aren't even experts in AI. Whether you want to start a side hustle or build a full-time business, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. In this video, I'm revealing 10 powerful ways you can start making money with ChatGPT today. Some of these methods are simple and fast, others take a bit more work, but they all have the potential to generate serious income. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Zenith, where we break down the future of AI, success, and modern life. If you're looking for new ways to make money using cutting-edge technology, this is the video for you. AI is no longer just a tool for programmers. It's becoming a money-making machine for everyday people. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Let's go through 1 to 10 powerful ways. You can turn ChatGPT into a source of income. Content writing and copywriting. First up, content writing. Businesses need blogs, social media posts, and website content. ChatGPT can generate high-quality articles in seconds, saving time and effort. Offer writing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Specialize in a niche like either technology, health, or finance for higher pay. Average pay for freelance writers, $30 to $100 per 1,000 words. Use ChatGPT to create drafts and then fine-tune them to match the client's tone and style. 2. Social media management. Businesses need content for platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, but creating daily posts is time-consuming. Use ChatGPT to generate captions, hashtags, and post ideas. Create a content calendar and offer it as a monthly service. Charge anywhere from $100 to $1,500 per month, depending on the client's size. Use ChatGPT to automate and scale your social media business. 3. Email. Marketing email is still one of the most powerful marketing tools, and ChatGPT can help you write high-converting emails fast. Offer email marketing services to small businesses and startups. Use ChatGPT to write welcome sequences, promotions, and newsletters. Charge clients $50 to $300 per email, $500 to $2,000 per month for ongoing work. The key is learning to tweak AI-generated content to sound more human. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. ChatGPT can help you write the content that drives traffic. Use ChatGPT to create product reviews and comparison articles. Focus on high-commission programs, Amazon, Shopify, etc. Build a niche website or blog. Passive income potential. SEO plus ChatGPT equals a winning combo. 5. Creating ebooks. ChatGPT can generate full-length ebooks on any topic. Fast. Choose a niche topic, self-help, finance, fitness. Format and publish on Amazon Kindle. Price at $2.99 to $9.99 for passive income. Add real-world examples and fine-tune the text to make it unique. 6. YouTube script writing. Content creators need scripts for YouTube. ChatGPT can handle this. Offer script writing services on Fiverr and Upwork. Charge $50 to $300 per script, depending on length. Focus on trending topics like AI, tech, and money. You can even use ChatGPT to help grow your own channel. 7. Translation and localization. ChatGPT can translate text into multiple languages, making it valuable for businesses going global. Offer translation services, charge per word, or offer flat-rate packages. Focus on business documents, websites, and content. 8. Resume and cover. Letter writing. Job seekers need professional resumes. ChatGPT can write them fast. Offer resume writing services on Fiverr. Charge $50 to $250 per resume. Specialize in certain industries for higher rates. 9. AI-powered chatbots. ChatGPT can power customer service bots for websites, build and sell custom AI chatbots, target small businesses and e-commerce, charge monthly fees for maintenance. 10th, course creation. ChatGPT can help you create online courses step by step. Pick a niche. Use ChatGPT to generate outlines and content. Sell on or Teachable. Courses can generate passive income for years. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a money-making tool. Whether you're freelancing, building a business, or just looking for extra income, this AI has the potential to change your financial future. Which of these strategies would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about AI, business, and success, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to the Zenith for more deep dive content. Stay tuned for the next episode coming your way real soon.